Hank Williams Jr. out there. So I like Hank Jr. But I have this mixed thing with him, and because I think he's a terrific vocalist and a terrific songwriter, and I really like his style and his choices he makes, what he does with his voice. He can do a lot with it. But let's be honest, he is the godfather of bro country. It's bro country for old men. Let's be honest.
Be honest.
I mean, if Luke Bryan sang this next song, people would hate it. And it's the same thing with All My Rowdy Friends Are Coming Over. If Jason Aldean said, I got a little party pad way out in the woods, everybody would hate it. They're like, it's so douchey, this gosh. You know? So,
Hank Jr. is opening a bar right next to this one, as a matter of fact.
they're next to Garth Brooks'.
Which is also next to Garth Brooks' bar. And Garth Brooks, he's going to be between Alan Jackson and Garth Brooks, and Garth is actually Hank Jr.'s favorite country artist of all
That's
time.
fake news. That's fake news.
You guys should look this up on YouTube sometime. Look up Hank Jr. drunk Garth Brooks.
Look it up.
It is incredibly funny. It's not safe for work. It's not safe for small children. It's really not safe for anybody, but it is very funny. For whatever reason, Hank Jr. is on stage just mauling Garth Brooks.
Well, he's completely blitzed.
We have no idea what poor Garth did to piss him off so bad.
Hank Jr. says so many things about Garth. We can't say it on the microphone. It's that bad. But he was so messed up, Hank Jr. was so drunk, that this next song called A Country Boy Can Survive, he called it
gibberish.
It's pure gibberish. You can't understand the word he says. Look it up. Hank Jr. drunk, Garth Brooks. He calls it a Sonny Boy Campbell. And the opening line, the first line of this song is, the preacher man says it's the end of time. Hank Jr. is so messed up, he's like, Superman says it's the winds of time. He does. So it makes me feel a lot better about the way I do this song. So
You're probably too sober to do it. Right?
I am, man. Hank Jr. never does it sober. Why should I have to do it sober?
Somebody bring Russell Brown a shot of tequila, please.
I've got a third of a shot. Let's have a drink together. If you got a drink, raise it up. If you can't raise your drinks, how you gonna raise the roof? On the count of three, everybody holler, yeehaw, then swallow. 1, 2, 3, holler. And swallow. Here we go, Bill. Here we go. Superman says it's the winds of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a-going dry. Interest is up and the stock market's down, and you only get mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see, woman and the kids and the dogs and me. Got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country boys can survive. I can plow field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make her own whiskey and her own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do. Real good old maters and homemade wine, and a country boy can survive. Country fellas can survive. West Virginia coal mines, the Rocky Mountains and the western sky. And we can skin a buck, run our line, and a country boy can survive. Country boys can survive. Had a good friend in New York City. Never called me by my name, just Hillbilly. My grandpa taught me how to live off the land. It taught him to be a businessman. He used to send me pictures of the Broadway nights. I'd send them some homemade wine. He was killed by a man with a switchblade knife. $43, my friend lost his life. I'd love to spend some beach nut in that dude's eye. Shoot him with my old 45. A country boy can't survive. Country folks can't survive. Country kids don't tell you can't make a shot with him. All was raised on shotgun. We say grace, we say prayer. If you ain't in that, we don't give a damn. We're from North California, South Alabama, little towns all around this land. We take it, run a charter line, and a country boy can survive.